Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Greenwich Council Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Greenwich Council Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in beta.royalgreenwich.gov.uk and make a search. You will end up on the login page of Greenwich Council Tax account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Greenwich Council Tax account and tap on sign in. Tick mark on the box that says remember me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot password option. This is how you can log into your Greenwich Council Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.